I'm back here. Just a quick video today. I want to show you how to put your DJI drone into what they call local data mode, and that means it won't be transmitting any data, back to DJI servers or any servers, any place or anything really. Everything stays contained right in your drone. Like if you're recording your memory card, it's the only place maybe the data is going to be kept. So this kind of helps you skirt the whole, conspiracy theory that the CCP is, still taking all your data that you record, all your flight information and, footage of what you fly over is being sent back to the Chinese military, which again, it has that, I'm not saying that's, you know, that's completely false, but it hasn't been proven that that's happening. But again, so if you're scared of it happening, use the local data mode. It's a short video. I'm going to show you how to put your drone in local data mode. I'm demoing it on a DJI Air 3S using the DJI RC controller. And that's it for the video. I'm not coming back at the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Any questions about the process I'm showing you video, leave comments down below and I will try to answer your questions in chat in a timely manner. Well, I always say that, but like if somebody comments on a video I made 5 years ago, sometimes I'm slow getting to those, but you know what I mean. So enjoy the video and we'll see you in the next one, folks. Okay, I'm going to show you how to put your drone, in this case here, the Mavic, not the Mavic, the Air 3S in local data mode, which means it won't broadcast any signals to anybody, especially back to the Chinese military. So okay, we're on the screen here. We're going to go to the actually we're going to hit the button on the upper left hand side, the back button, and we're going to get back to that like kind of I'll call it the splash screen there for the DJI Fly app. And now you want to go down to profile, and from there you want to go down to settings. And I have a little screen recording thing in the way here, so we're going to move it to the right there. So we're going to go into settings here, and in here we're going to go down to notifications and privacy. Okay, and you see you're in data mode now, and you have the option for local data mode. So you click the local data mode button and you get the warning here that says number one, all network data transmission is disabled in this mode. Number two, the following functions are unavailable, updating aircraft firmware, updating aircraft security database, synchronizing flight data, updating flight security data in real time, and accessing web pages and third-party services, including MassFly, the fly with caution. So, okay, so you hit confirm. DJI cars restarting manually. Tap to choose to DJI Fly, then wait a moment and restart the app. So, okay, we're going to close. Okay, so I guess now it's going into his restart mode here. And again, this is for, basically to comply with all the supposed threats that DJI drones are causing by sending data back to the Chinese military. Okay, cancel that. Okay, we're going to go back in, we hit that back button to get back into the splash page of Fly. Go back to profile, go down to settings, go to notification privacy. And okay, we have local data mode on, and you see all the things enabled below it. It's blocking DJI device location info, DJI hardware info, and approximate location info, and so okay, allows notifications. That's turned off too. So so we have it enabled. And it says here when enabled, network data transmission is disabled and certain functions are unavailable. So, so there you have it. If you want to go into local data mode and not share any data, here you go. This is the best, easy to do, easy peasy. There's no need to ban DJI drones because they may be sending stuff back to the Chinese military. Just go in low data mode where you won't be transmitting any data to anybody. So yeah, and these things down here, it's easy to turn them on and off too. We just write them there, so you hit that button, and it turns that off or turn it back on again. So if you want to make any customizations to the local data mode, you can. So okay, short video here. Just wanted to get this out there. I mean, I know there's been a lot of talk about DJI bans because of the Counting CCP Act, because they say DJI is a Chinese military company sharing all your data. So here's the way to still fly your drone and not share all that data. So hope this helps people out. Helps them get a better understanding of the whole situation as far as DJI supposedly sharing data and how to stop that if you want to. There's no reason to ban the drones. Like I said, just require people to turn on local data mode. Okay, that's it. So, hope you enjoyed this video, and give me a thumbs up to the video if you did. Subscribe to the channel. Now remember, ring that bell, and we'll see you on the next video, folks.